Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD, projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start smart device, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.